I will help you to improve your skin with better and clean and clear skin. How? I will tell you. We do have every now and then pimples and scars on our skin, which affects lot of bad effects entire look of the face. Today I will teach you multiple face yoga asana on pimples and scar. The very first thing which we do for pimple and scars, we should wash our face with clean and cold water with proper face wash. After washing that, we have to always use a serum or a lotion to apply on the full face, which is useful for your skin. Next, we will do this face yoga asana which will help to improve your skin quality and remove all the pimples. The first yoga asana is making a O pose. You have to make a O pose and stretch your whole face, whole skin on your face. So make a O pose. And relax. So all the pressure coming towards your mouth when you're making a O pose. We'll repeat again. And relax. Breathe in, breathe out. It is very important to breathe in and breathe out in every face yoga asana. I'll repeat again the O pose. When you're doing this O pose, you might have a pressure on your cheekbones. You do not have to worry. You can do it slowly and calmly. You do it again. This will help to stretch all your muscles towards your mouth and helps to get a naturally glow and removing all the acne scars. Next, we'll make a fish pose. You have to twist your lips inwards and make a fish pose. I'll show you how. And relax. You can do it again. And relax. Relax your muscles, be comfortable and breathe in and breathe out. You can go it again. And relax. When you're doing this, all the jaw muscles, neck muscles and your lips muscle are getting in and out, which affects that all the scars are getting dragged and stretched, leaving no marks or acne marks on your skin. We'll repeat again 2 times. And relax. Do it again. And relax. These poses of face yoga asana for your skins and acne is very important. You can do it anytime. 3 to 4 times in a week is very important to give you a better result. Now you will stretch your entire face from your palms for fingertips. So you put it like this, rub it. So if you already have pimples and scars, avoid doing rubbing it. Use any face oil, any face serum. When you're doing this, you can use any of natural Ayurvedic or a herbal oils. You can use eucalyptus, you can use any oil which suits your skin. Your skin may be a different combination. So help to know more what your skin is and then use the face oil. Put a face oil on the fingertips, not on the entire palm, and putting it over there and gently massage. That face oil will help to remove all the pimples. When you're doing this, you're putting a pressure over here, right? You're not stretching your face, you're just putting a pressure. That pressure will help you to remove the unwanted pimples and leave all the scars away from the face. Now, this is very simple doing it, but the effect, the result should be very good when you're doing this. It has to be done 3 to 4 times in a week, and the results shows in another 15 days or 21 days. When you apply the face oil and did a gently massage all over the face, you have the oily face now. After doing this, you can wash your face, tap it with a thing or a tissue or a towel, and then you can go for a light serum entire on your face that suits your skin. So hope you like this face pimple or acne scars techniques, which is very important for you. Now we will be shortly back again after a small break or another yoga asana on face yoga. Thank you.